Hi, this is Steve from Tilta, and today we want to introduce this Hydra Alien Mini system that we have. It's basically we're using the same technology and material from our regular Hydra Alien system, and now it's kind of like for more small weight camera setup. This system supports a weight range from 0.33 to 1.36 pounds. And right now you can see we have a Pocket 3 right here, and what it does is that it can help you to eliminate the Z-axis vibration. And the special thing we have right here is that you can adjust the arm both kind of like tilt vertically or horizontally to fit your needs. And also we have different mounting options. The one you're looking at right now is from the bottom. We have a 1/4 thread that can thread directly to the Pocket 3, or you can use our cage, to do a bottom. And we also have a new kind of like cradle that you can use. That way you can mount the Osmo like sideways to give you more kind of like range for the gimbal to move. And then another exciting things we have three different configurations. Right now we're showing the electronic suction cup. What it does is that obviously you can like do the suction for you automatically, and also it can real-time monitoring the pressure. So if you're like having a slight leak, it can automatically resuck and make sure that it's always safe and then always sticking on the platform. And the suction cup itself can work 12 hours. And also it depends on like the situation, but most of the time 8 to 12 hours is the normal range that I can work on. And also another thing that we provide very exclusive and special is a handheld. It's a handle. That way you can actually use this system as kind of like a handheld, kind of like a small Ronin 40 here that can help you. If you want to do something like a pushing shot or anything that wants to or even like a steady can move, you can use this to do that. And the kit you're looking here, we started at $149 with the regular suction cup, and if it's an electronic suction cup, it'll be $185. And then if you don't want the suction cup, you don't want to do any of the car mounting stuff, you just want a regular handheld type of configuration, it will be $139 that you're looking at. And this is from Tiltas. If you guys have any question, if you want to learn more about this product, please visit tilta.com and you'll find more information about the product. Thank you.